what Daddy doesn't film you guys much out in the kitchen or in your home. And what, because Daddy gets caught up in feeding and cleaning. What, and there's so many video opportunities for Daddy. Hey? Greggy. Hey? Hey. Whereas I love you, I do, Greggy. Hey? Where's... Where are the other two? They're already down here, aren't you? Where you are, Daddy? Where's my mealworms with medicine, Daddy? Huh? Where's El Harry? El Harry's... There's El Harry. That's your favourite little spot, isn't it, Harry? It is, Dad. Where's your big Greggy? El Harry, El Henry. Here's El Harry. Huh? Okay, boys. Let me go change out your bedding and get your food ready. Huh? Okay, boys.